Welcome to the Microsoft AMD Innovation Lab End User Demo. In this video, I will show how to run a lab using the Innovation Lab application. Once you have been invited to the Innovation Lab, you will get an email detailing your login information. Clicking the link from an email received, you can then log in here. Read through the Terms and Conditions page and accept. Now that you have accepted terms and progressed, you are redirected to the Select Your Simulation screen. Here you will click the Get Started button. Selecting to run a sample lab, the application loads a sample data input file for the lab you have been assigned. In Lab Setup, you can select the hardware setup parameters that are grouped by small, medium, and large sizes. You can go ahead and continue with the small size that is selected by default. After you start execution, you will progress to the lab deployment. In this step, all tasks being performed are displayed with continuous status updates. While you wait for the lab to complete, you can educate yourself about this lab type by clicking the Learnings button and exploring the links provided. We are going to switch for a moment from watching the application and look at processes being run from behind the scenes in Azure. When you open the Azure portal, you can go into the batch account to view the pool and job that have been created. Let's click on the pool created for this lab execution. You will see that our nodes will go through various states. Initially, they are being created. Then they will start. And then they will sit idle until the job is ready to be run. You will see the node go from an idle to an immediate running state. Now let's view the job that has been created. In the Jobs tab, open the task. There is one task running which is executing the job. When you go into that task, you can see the files that are being created. This gives an understanding of how the job is being run. Open the standard output file and see the process that the lab is going through as if you were to run the job on a Linux machine directly. Now go back to the application to see that same output on the screen. When you scroll to the bottom of the standard job output screen, you will see the lab has completed successfully. As you continue to the last stage, you are able to download the output file. Upon opening the zip file, you will see the journal and case files that were uploaded. You can view the output files created during the execution. These files can then be accessed through your workstation for validation of execution. Now that you have successfully run the lab, you can return here, at any time, to review this execution and re-download the result files. You have now seen an ANSYS Fluent Lab run successfully using the Innovation Lab application.